So what I'm going to show you in this video is what you should be looking for when you're looking at the specific heat lab in Pivot. It's not as clear until you go through it a couple times, so I thought I would preview it. So at the start of the video, you're going to see a temperature on the screen. You don't need to worry about that because it's just the probe connected to the laptop. So what you should focus on first is the balance. They're going to bring in a metal cup, and you're going to find the mass of just the empty cup, and then they're going to pour water into it. So that's going to be what you focus on first, and you want to write down that data. So here comes the cup, write down that mass, and then you're going to dump in the water in there, and then you're going to write down that mass. So now they're going to move this cup into what we call a calorimeter, and then they're going to put the probe in there. And that is the temperature you want to record. Once it has equalized, essentially, is what you want to write down. So here they're going to move this cup into the calorimeter and put the temperature probe in there so you could get an initial temperature of the water. So that's the initial temperature of the water. And then off screen, what you don't see is that they are dumping aluminum into that water. Now the aluminum, you don't know the mass until the very end, and I will show you that in a second. But the aluminum has been heated in boiling water. So you are assuming that the initial temperature of the aluminum is 100 degrees Celsius. So they're going to bring that back in here, and you're going to put the lid on, and they're going to put the temperature in there, and they're going to stir it until you get a highest temperature, and you want to record that highest temperature. Then after they are done, they're going to take the cup off, and you're going to take the final mass. So you want to make sure you understand that that final mass is going to be the initial metal cup that it's in, the water, and then the aluminum. So that's going to be how you find the mass of the aluminum.